Hi guys, this is Ashok Singh and today I'm here with the top 12 most amazing temples in India. India is well known for its diversity in its festival culture and for beautiful temples. Temples in India vary in size because you can find a small temple located in the roadside to large structures carved in rocks. Temple in India can be seen everywhere from the hilly areas of the Himalayas to the mountains of Ladakh. Number 1 is Meenakshi Temple, Madurai, one of the largest Hindu temple around the world. Meenakshi Temple, also known as Meenakshi Sundareshwara Temple, is one of the ancient and most astonishing temple in India, located on the southern bank of the Vaigai River in the temple city of Madurai. Tamil Nadu, India. Meenakshi Temple is a crowning glory of the South India. The temple is famed for its great mythological and historical significance that dates back to the 1st century CE. It is one of the main attractions of South India with thousands of devotees visiting it every day. During the Tirukalyanam festival, which takes place over a period of 10 days, the temple attracts more than a million devotees every day. Number 2 is Golden Temple, Amritsar. Located in the beautiful city of Amritsar, Golden Temple is a glittering charm of the city. The temple is also known as Sri Harimandir Sahib. It is not only a central religious place of the Sikhs, but it is a symbol of human brotherhood and equality with sublime peacefulness. The temple is the holiest shrine and a major pilgrimage destination for Sikhs. Due to its exquisite design and architecture, it also attracts tourists from all over the world. Number 3 is Sai Baba Temple, Shirdi. Sai Baba Temple in Shirdi is one of the holiest places and also one of the richest temples in India. It is the most popular pilgrimage center located in the town of Shirdi, Ahmednagar district of the Indian state of Maharashtra. The temple is easily accessible from anywhere in India. It is open to all people irrespective of religions, caste and creeds. The main shrine is known as a Samadhi temple. Here, the mortal body of Sai Baba is actually buried in the white marble of the temple. Beside the Samadhi, there is a marble image of Sai Baba in a sitting position that seems like the real Sai Baba sitting on their devotees. Number 4 is Ramanatha Swami Temple, Ramanathapuram. Ramanatha Swami Temple is located on Rameshwaram Island in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Shiva. The temple houses the world's most sacred sand mound, a lingam which is said to have been created by Rama's wife Sita so that he could worship Shiva. Also, the temple has the longest corridor among all Hindu temples in India with 1000 pillar halls and 22 three-thums in which pilgrims bathe before visiting the deity. Number 5 is Vaishno Devi Mandir, Jammu and Kashmir. Vaishno Devi Mandir is one of the most popular pilgrimage centers in India. Dedicated to the Hindu goddess Vaishno Devi, the temple is located in Katra at the Trikutta mountain at an elevation of 5200 feet with the holy cave of Jammu and Kashmir, India. It is the most visited sacred place in India that attracts millions of devotees not only from India but from all over the world. A pilgrimage to the holy shrine of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi is considered to be one of the holiest pilgrimages in India. Number 6 is Sun Temple, Konark. Konark Sun Temple, one of the most stunning temple in India, is well known and major tourist attraction of Odisha. The temple is basically dedicated to Sun God or Lord Surya. This beautiful temple features intricate carving and rich sculptures that makes this temple truly a sight to behold. The special features of this temple is that the shrine is wholly erected in the form of a huge chariot. This chariot is placed on 12 pairs of beautifully carved wheels and enhanced by 7 dynamic horses. At the entrance there are 2 huge lions that appears as a guardian of the temple. Number 7th is Khajuraho Temple, Madhya Pradesh. The Khajuraho Temple complex is a series of beautifully built and decorated structures located in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Designated as one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site in India, the temples are famous all over the world for their Nagara style architectural and erotic sculptures. The Khajuraho Temple also feature a variety of artwork that includes some of the finest art in the world. Number 8 is Lotus Temple, New Delhi. The Lotus Temple, also known as the Baha'i House of Worship Temple, is one of the exquisite architectural building located in New Delhi. Built in the shape of a lotus flower, the temple is the last of 7 major Baha'i temples dedicated in the year 1986 at the cost of 10 million. It is a prominent tourist attraction located in the capital city, New Delhi, India. Like all Baha'i houses of worship, the Lotus Temple is also open to all people, regardless of religion, caste, creed, or any other qualifications. Number 9 is Kedarnath Temple, Uttarakhand. Kedarnath Temple, located in the Garhwal Himalaya range of Uttarakhand, India, is one of the holiest Hindu temples located to Lord Shiva. It is the most important temple among the Panch Kedars, a group of 5 Shiva temple places in Uttarakhand. It is famed for its ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Due to extreme weather conditions, the temple is open only between the end of April to November. Also, the temple is not directly accessible by road or has to be reached by an 18-kilometer uphill trek from Gaurikund. Number 10th is Kashi Vishwanath, Varanasi. Kashi Vishwanath Temple is one of the most famous Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva, created by the confluence of the holy river, the Ganges. The temple is located in Varanasi or Kashi, Uttar Pradesh, India. The temple stands on the western bank of the holy river Ganga and is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the holiest of Shiva temple. Varanasi city is also called Kashi and one of the best tourist places in India, and hence the temple is popularly called Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Number 11th is Jagannath Temple, Puri. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on the site of an earlier temple and begun by King Anantavarman Deva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The Puri temple is famous for its annual Rath Yatra or chariot festival, in which the 3 principal deities are pulled on a huge and elaborately decorated temple cars. Number 12th is Badrinath Temple. The temple is located in Garhwal Hill Tracks in Chamoli district along the bank of Alaknanda river at an elevation of 3133 meter 10,279 feet above the mean sea level. The temple is also one of the 108 Divya Disams dedicated to Vishnu, who is worshipped as Badrinath, holy shrine of Vaishnavites. That's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and would like me to make some more videos, please like, leave comment below and subscribe to my channel. And guys, you can comment and suggest any topic for us to make more exciting videos, and if we will find it relevant, then we will try to make videos on the same. Thank you.